Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today we're stepping into a machine that will completely change the way you think about travel. This isn't just a truck. It's not just a motorhome, it's a 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros that's been transformed into a rolling palace. And trust me, once you see what's inside, you'll understand why people are calling it a dream hotel on wheels. From the moment you stand beside it, the Actros commands attention. Its bold chrome grille, sleek LED lighting, and aerodynamic curves tell you it's built for the future. But the real magic happens once those automatic side doors slide open. Step inside and you're greeted by a living space that feels more like a luxury penthouse than anything you'd expect in a truck. Soft leather seating, panoramic windows, and ambient lighting set the mood instantly. Every corner is designed with comfort and style in mind, blending German engineering with modern luxury. The living room is where the journey begins. Imagine reclining on a sofa while a massive smart TV rises smoothly from the cabinet, paired with a hidden surround sound system. With one touch on the digital control panel, you can change the lighting, temperature, and even the shading on the windows. Now let's talk about the kitchen view, because this is where the Actros Motorhome really surprises. A sleek countertop stretches across the side, wall with built-in induction, burners glowing blue under tempered glass, a stainless steel sink with a touch-activated faucet, a fridge that blends seamlessly into the cabinetry, and a smart oven make it feel like you're in a high-end apartment. Above, soft close cabinets hide all your storage needs, while under cabinet LED strips give the whole space a futuristic glow. And yes, there's even a premium coffee machine so your mornings on the road start just right. And yes, the bathroom will blow you away. We're talking about a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and a vanity mirror with touch lighting. It's like bringing a luxury spa along for the ride. No more compromising when you're on the road. The master bedroom feels like stepping into a 5-star suite. A king-size bed, storage everywhere, and a skylight right above so you can fall asleep under the stars. Plus, the noise-canceling insulation ensures you'll rest peacefully, no matter where you're parked. And let's not forget the cockpit. This is still a Mercedes-Benz Actros. This motorhome isn't just transportation, it's freedom, luxury, and innovation all packed into one masterpiece. The 2026 Actros Motorhome proves that the future of travel is here, and it's rolling on 18 wheels. So what do you think? Would you live in this motorhome full-time or take it on your dream road trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Because here at Auto Plus, we bring you the most insane machines the world has ever seen.